What's stuck to your feet, Mabel? What's stuck to your feet? Oh, wait a minute. I'm taking a video of you. Hold on, baby. Oh. What's stuck to your feet? You're feeling frustrated that you can't have the video camera. I know. I'm taking a video of you. Did you help Mama with the mail? Wow, you made a big mess. Whoa. It's still stuck to your foot. Do you want me to help you get it off? Ugh, there it is. I got it. Do you want to hold it?